Happy Cinco de Mayo. So I want to talk about another YouTuber named samcrac. You may have heard of him, maybe you haven't, but here's an article. I'll have links to his story in the video description. Basically, Sam buys vehicles from insurance auctions. In this particular case, a company called Coparts. There are a few other YouTubers who also, I believe, buy vehicles from Coparts, and they buy them as project cars for their channels, fix them up, and who knows what they do, sell them, get them back on the roadworthy again, or use them for some other project or turn them into a whole new vehicle. In Sam's case, he bought a total of like 2X Domino Pizza, DXP Chevy Spark vehicles, you know, the ones that have the built-in ovens on the side so you get really hot pizzas. He got them really cheap. He bought 2 of them. He bought one that was really messed up, and he fixed it, and he documented it on his channel. Somehow somebody at Domino's didn't like him leaving their trademark colors on the vehicle. So, long story short, they sent him a cease and desist letter for, trademark infringement. Some can argue saying that it's, possession's 9/10 of the law. It's still a trademark issue. But that scares me because of the fact it is their trademark. But you go on to YouTube and look at all of the other, food channels, guys who do reviews, even me on my other food channel, Travel Foodie Reviews, link in the description. So if I were to do a review on any vendor's product and they were to hit me up with trademark infringement, then what does that say? So that's crazy. Now here's my take on the whole situation. Obviously, it was a franchisee's vehicle that got totaled. So insurance paid out for the vehicle. They came, picked it up, and was off to the crusher. The franchisee even admitted in one of the stories that you'll read, that I'll post a link in the article, that they were expecting it to go to the crusher. That's not the case with insurance companies. The insurance companies are not in the business to lose money. If they can get any kind of money back from whatever's left when they buy the vehicle, the loss from you, it's their property. And once they get it in their hands, it's up to them to do whatever they want. The case in point I want to bring up here is this. If Domino's or the franchisees were worried about their trademark infringements when the insurance company told them that they were totaling out the vehicle, the franchisee or a representative for Domino's should have went out to the location, the body shop, or the storage yard where the vehicle was being held at before they took possession of it from the insurance company, took possession of it, and stripped it all down of its vehicles. But it sounds like that didn't happen in this particular case. Vehicles that, if you were to total out a vehicle, if your vehicle gets totaled out, let's say a drunk driver hits you, and knock on wood, you're okay, but your car is totaled. And you agree to sell your car off to the insurance company. One of the things they tell you, get all your personal effects out. This is the same thing that Domino's should have been doing, getting their personal effects out of the car. But they didn't. So, my opinion, Domino's should just basically pay whatever asking price that samcrac is offering and get the vehicle and be done with it. and treat it as a lesson learned and move on for future vehicles so this doesn't happen again, and you know it's going to happen again in the future. So that's my take on it. Sorry this is short and sweet of a video, but just wasn't enough content for me to upload. I will be doing some taping tomorrow, so hopefully I'll have some new content of some car shows for next week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to follow me on all my social media links: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and hit that like button, subscribe. Got a 1,000 subscriber goal that I want to try. And thanks.